Tommy Gunn on the boards, DJ Fresh in the mix. Let me call them out like this. Yeah. These are the G.O.D. dancers. We got G1 and O2 right now. 3 G.O.Ds chilling in the back, you know what I'm saying? This jam is for the radio. Because I can't understand why you're playing rap, you know what I'm saying? But I do this one for you. Kick it, Tommy. Back off and give a brother room to expand on. Back off and give a brother room to expand on. Back off and give a brother room to expand so I can grow and flow to meet the public's demand with something funky enough for the listening pleasure. How long it take me, well, I can't measure. I remember when I used to dream and scheme to hear something on the radio with a different theme. I sleep so long ago now, my mind is fade. I just drop on my knees and I prayed. I love this Michael Williams was soul of the city. A few years later, Rap City, week after week in our homes he brings. I saw the music that was racial offense in, unleashing it, and all colors of race. But hey, wait a minute, we can't keep the pace, see? A hour and a half a week just ain't enough. We all require much more of the funky stuff, but still better than my old radio station that won't play 1 to 24-hour day program. Back off and give a brother room to expand on. Fresh in the mix. Back off and give a brother room to expand on.
Hit him hard, boy.
Back off and give a brother room to expand on.
Yeah, son.
Back off and give a brother room to expand on. Back off and give me some slack so I can stop the airwaves with some smooth rap tracks. And all the people who's been waiting for this day to come. Enjoy yourself, y'all. Have big fun. This will be a day of rejoicing. I tell you, when rap's got a voice and no more lyrical limits. Do away with the gimmicks on the size of a nation town. This generation of mine wanna hear funky beats and don't rhyme. That's what I'm giving. Check it out, we're living. Black, white, yellow, even the red man. All brought down with my music pump. I suck a rappers go to go get a stump, but I'm always brought back down to reality in my hometown, y'all. They won't complain me if they got me caught up in some sort of stereotype. Thinking sure words the only thing that rappers right. Well, I'ma show up, cause I can't ignore them. If it's a racial thing, I ain't with them. But if it's concerned for the kids, I'll forgive them. Cause I do like you wanna see a drug-free society with a swear-word-free vocabulary. Yeah, that's my intention, and all let me mention. I work too hard just to commence to find myself. Stop my fear that I'm a trigger violence or some sort of social disorder. We'll go ahead, check me line by lines if you order. But don't forget your microscope to check what I wrote. Sure, here the hand you will see. I want you mama want the kids to be like some sort of tycoon and soon an entrepreneur. I can record sales soar and soar and keep soaring. Radio stations getting boring. 3 decades of the same old things got me snoring. But hey, I've got ya. Papa has to snap ya right out of your neck, y'all. With the tracks to make you wild. This is the new style. Back off and give a brother room to expand on. DJ Fresh in the mix. Back off and give a brother room to expand on. Are y'all done with that? Back off and give a brother room to expand on. Back off and give a brother room to expand on. Back off and give me some room so I can move and groove. Back off and give me some room so I can move and groove. Back off and give me some room so I can move and groove. On this beat so smooth, and all the fine ladies farting in the front row. Put your hands in the air, yeah, and scream, oh! Suckers, get back, skeptics, can't stop. I've got to take on some of that rap. I'm Mr. Newspaper Man, well, that includes you ain't down for me. So let the ladies through, so they can touch, scream, and dream of me. When I'm gone, I'm the stage just empty. Until that time, then I run plenty. So please accept me from your column that might send me plunging. More deeper ain't a dungeon. Created by the sucker rappers causing a stumbling. Black for rap, now can you imagine that? Yeah, talking all that crap. Back off and give a brother room to expand on. Back off and give a brother room to expand on. Oh yeah, give it up for G.O.D. Con. Everybody, we're gonna close it like this, you know what I'm saying? G.O.D. the Effect, tell me what it makes, DJ Fresh and the boys. Are you down with that? Are you the park? Are you alive? Say huh? effect, you know what I'm saying? But it goes like this, y'all. All right, thank you. Yeah.
Radio suckers never play